What I just tell you?
You like to piss me off. It's off the chain. It's perfect now. But will it change?
Y'all ready to see what I got?
You gotta find out if that's it.
Okay. Take me a picture. Hey y'all, if you're new here, my name is Carla Monique, and today we are doing a car tour. So if you're new here, my name is Carla Monique. We talk about a little of everything at this channel. I just bought a new house, so we're decorating it, bringing it from a house to a home. We talk about fashion, beauty, the whole nine. So if you're interested, stick around, stay tuned. Do me a favor, hit the subscribe button so you won't miss a video from yours truly. To all my oldies but goodies, welcome back to the channel. I know y'all, it's been a minute since y'all got a video from me. Y'all like, where's the home decor, right? Where's the home decor? I know, I said I was going to be snapping out videos once I moved in the house, but y'all, I lied. I lied because it is so hard to get everything going. Like, we moved from our old house to this one, and all we brought with us was clothes, shoes, and my living room couch. That's it. No beds, no kitchen stuff, nothing. We started all the way over. So once I finally got in the house, I realized how much I needed and how much I had to start from scratch. And so it was a lot harder than I realized it was going to be. So the home videos are coming, y'all. It's just going to take a little bit longer to get. We have done a lot of stuff in the house. I'm not going to lie. We have done a lot of stuff in the house. However, I wasn't able to capture any videos because I got a new video. If you can tell by the camera, I got a new camera and I'm still trying to figure it out. Still trying to, you know, get it going and get used to it. So the quality of the videos are starting to get better. Thank you. And we have officially hit 500 subscribers. Woo! Welcome everybody to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning in, whether you came here because of the house or because of the clothing hauls or whatever you came here for. I'm so glad that you guys are here. We have officially hit 500 subscribers on the road to 1K. Okay, we're almost there, y'all. So make sure you share the video, any of the videos. Tell your friends, family, everybody to watch. Make sure they subscribe. Thank you, everybody. I'm so happy to have you guys here. So without further ado, let's do, guys. I took you guys car shopping with me, so you saw a little snippet of our car shopping. I did get a new car a couple days after we closed on a new house. The car I decided to get is a Range Rover. So I got a 2023. Yep, you heard right, girl. Brand new, 0 miles. Brand new 2023 Range Rover Velar. It's white on the outside and all black on the inside. So I'm going to give you guys a tour. So here we go. Let's go. Get into the video. y'all, that's the end of the car tour. Hope you guys liked it, enjoyed it. I promise new videos are coming soon. But yeah, so excited. I love my new car, love the new house. So be sure to stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel for us. You know, we love to see you. We love the new followers. And I promise new house to home videos are coming, guys. Toodles. See you guys later.